Oh, welcome back, y'all. I thought I'd give you a little video of, it's going to be a short one, just show you what we got done out of the last 3 days. Was milling up them cants. I'll show you what we got done. Might be a little shaky here till I get this camera off the tripod. Alright, that's what we got done so far in cants. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 cants. And what we got them for, when I start building the shed, sawmill shed, I'll figure out what I need and I'll mill it out of these. Some boards, 2x6s. I started on the 2x4s and the 2x6s. I'll give you an example of that. What we got done so far. This is the 2x6s and the 2x4s. I don't know how good you can see them in the sunlight in the road. Let's see here. Then we're all 2x6s and 2x4s, and got little skinny boards on top. A little batten. And we got some more 2x6s over here, or 2x4s over here, and 2x6s over here too. Might be able to see better if I go down this way. Sun ain't shining in our eyes. Yep, there's a stack of 2x4s underneath there and 2x6s on the bottom. I don't know how good you can see them. The sunlight's killing us today, which that's a good thing. And we got all these boards out of them cants that we got to edge yet. So I'll be taking them over to the edger. Excuse me. I'll be taking them over to the edger and edging them down. We got our trailer out. We got to go pick up some 20-foot poplar logs tomorrow. All right, and here's some more boards left over out of the cants we did. These are all pine boards. We're just going to run them through the edger, make us some. They're all 1-inch boards, so we'll make some 1x5s, 1x7s, 1x8s. What do we get out of them? We won't go past nothing by 1x8 or 10. I don't care for that because they start warping up if you don't keep them really, really flat. And we're probably going to use a lot of them green anyway. All right, we thank and appreciate y'all watching our videos. I thought I'd just show you what we got done the last 3 days of milling these cans and stuff up. Y'all have a great day.